Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is me showing you guys how I accomplish these highlights, so stay tuned. Okay you guys, so this is the wig I'm transforming into the highlights. This is a 20-inch closure wig I bought from Allie Grace. I bought from this company a few years ago and knew they had really good quality hair, so I thought it would be the perfect fit for me to try this style on. So right now I'm just combing through the hair, and I also plucked the closure off camera because that's a process in itself. But after combing it, I sectioned the hair off into 3 or 4 parts so it would be easier for me to apply the bleach. Also, y'all, I don't know what happened, but I lost the footage of me showing you guys what kind of bleach and developer I used and how much I put in it, but I don't know where those clips are, and I'm sorry, so I'm just going to tell you all what I use. So the first round I used my bleach powder, and I think I did like 2 full bowls of it and added 30 developer to both of them. So after I added the 2, I mixed them together and it came into like a creamy paste. You don't want to add too much developer to where it's watering, so make sure y'all don't add too much. So right now I'm just going through the hair with the bleach, making sure I add enough all over the hair. I also didn't want to go up too high with the bleach because I still want some of the natural color to show on the hair. Also, y'all, please excuse my voice. It's been really cracky. I don't know what's wrong with it, but I'm sounding a little deep, but it's okay. Work with me, and y'all know. Okay, so now this is the hair with the bleach all over it. I let it sit on the hair for about 30 minutes, washed it out, conditioned it, let it dry. And now this is how the color looks. And again, y'all, I lost the footage of me showing the bleach and developer I used. So I used my BW bleach, and now I'm using a 40 developer to make the hair even lighter. So for me to achieve this highlight look, I used the end of a comb and grabbed a section of the hair and started weaving the comb through it. So with the comb, I'm moving it up and down to separate some of the hair I grabbed from that section. Once I came to the end, I separated it and started adding the bleach to the hair I pulled away. Once I did that, I grabbed aluminum foil to cover over it to help lift the hair even more. So with this method, I'm doing it all over the hair until I finish at the top. So with this front piece right here, I used a 50 developer because I wanted this part to be lighter than the rest. Also, after doing that, I thought to use the same developer on top as well because the back was sitting for a while and I just wanted to make sure the top would be as light as the back. So I quickly added the bleach on top and let it sit, and let everything sit for another 30 minutes. And now I'm just pulling the aluminum foil off from the hair and seeing the color difference. And after taking it off, I washed, conditioned it again, blow dried it until it was dry. I also added layers to the hair off camera, and now I'm going to begin curling the hair and giving it volume. Before curling it, I went in with Shy Moisturizer This gives the hair a shine and a smoother look. So I'm going to rub it in with my hands and finger comb it through the hair. And then I'm going to begin curling it. Also, I went in with my flat iron comb and basically flatten the closure so it'll be flatter and, give it that natural look, baby. Okay, you guys, this is the final curl and the final look, and y'all, I'm in love. It looks so beautiful. I hope you guys love it too. This did take a little while, but patience is key, so stick to it. But this is the end of the video. I hope you guys love it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!